But now we're gonna dive into weight loss. Specifically, how does weight loss happen? How does weight loss happen? This is something that people get paid a lot of money to help individuals with, and I'm gonna hopefully give you some good guidance on it as well. So weight loss, there is no special diet, there is no special pill, there is no special exercise. Weight loss happens from a calorie deficit. This is energy balance. So when you think about thermodynamics, basically law of conservation, nothing can be created or destroyed. So essentially, when we're talking about calories, we need to be eating less, as in taking in less food than we burn on a day-to-day basis. That's weight loss. It doesn't matter what kind of foods you eat. It could be burgers, it could be fries. You could eat these foods as long as your calories are in check, you will lose weight. And this is something that blows a lot of people's minds. And I'm also gonna say that you shouldn't just go and eat a bunch of junk food, right? That's not what I'm recommending. You can fit that into your diet and know that as long as your calories are in check, it's actually not going to decrease the amount of fat you're gonna lose. It'll make it a little more challenging because a lot of the foods that are considered junk foods are not very satiating, not very filling for us. So they're very easy to overeat. They're also usually very high in calories. So they're harder to maintain the overall calorie goal that we need, but you can still eat essentially anything within reason and still lose weight. So I always like to give the 2,500 calorie example. Let's say you burn 2,500 calories a day. This is kind of an average for people. Most men are probably around there. Most females are probably around 2,000. Let's just say 2,500 calories per day. And if you start eating 2,000 calories per day, as in 500 calories less, by the end of that week, you have eaten 3,500 less calories per day than you burn. 3,500 calories is what is in 1 pound of fat. So if you do this, as in eat 500 calories less per day, at the end of a week, you lose hopefully a pound of fat. But as we just discussed in the weight gain section, weight gain and weight loss isn't strictly fat and it isn't strictly muscle. It's going to be a combination of both. Ideally, you would have the least amount of muscle mass loss, least amount of lean body weight loss, and have the most fat mass. But even when you are very, very strict with it, usually you lose about 66-ish% of your body weight from fat mass, and then the other little bit's going to be from combination of different types of lean body mass. So that is that. So weight loss is calories in versus calories out. And one of the things I forgot to put in the comments, but you can actually find these calorie calculators online. I like the NIH one. You can just type in your body weight, your activity level, and it'll tell you exactly how many calories you need to lose weight, gain weight, whatever your goals are. To tell me you're no good, I'm brushing away.